I'm about to open up my air filter cover and see what my air filter looks like after doing about 1,000 miles of dusty gravel roads last summer. I did make sure to put a layer of grease around it, and you can see there's definitely dust on the dirty side here. Let's find out, did it seal okay? It looks like you can maybe just make out here the grease residue has got lots of dirt caked on it. So we should be able to get this out. This is the wedge. Oh, right here. That's supposed to just pull up together, but there might be some dirt holding it in place. There we go. Whew. Definitely some dust right there. Set that there. Now, the actual filter element. Oh. So you can see, not much. It looks like smearing grease around the sealing edge did work pretty good. It looks like that's all clean all around the edge there, which is a good sign. But now the question is whether the airbox itself sealed. All right, so I got a light to better illuminate what's going on in the airbox here. Everything's gonna fall on the floor, but the good news is there's only very minor amounts of dirt that appears to have gotten in there. So overall, I would say that KTM has done it right this time with regards to leaky airboxes that have plagued them on 1190, 1290, and earlier models.